Hey beauties! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best beauty tips and tricks. Ready to get those lashes looking fabulous right at home? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned beauty enthusiast, this guide is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply eyelash extensions like a pro. It's easier than you might think, and the results are absolutely stunning. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need a set of eyelash extensions, lash adhesive, tweezers, a lash comb, and a steady hand. You'll need a set of eyelash extensions, which come in various lengths and thicknesses. Choose the ones that best suit your desired look. Lash adhesive is crucial for keeping those extensions in place. Tweezers will help you handle the tiny lashes with precision, and a lash comb will keep them looking neat and separated. Clean your natural lashes thoroughly to remove any oil or makeup. This step is crucial to make sure the extensions stick properly. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser to ensure your lashes are squeaky clean. This will help the adhesive bond better and last longer. Start by picking up a single lash extension with your tweezers. Dip the base lightly into the adhesive. Dip the base lightly into the adhesive. Now, here's the key part. Wait a few seconds for the glue to get tacky. This helps the lash stick better and prevents it from slipping. Patience is key here, so don't rush this step. Using your tweezers, carefully place the extension on your natural lash, about 1 to 2 mm away from your eyelid. Hold it there for a few seconds to ensure it bonds well. Hold it there for a few seconds to ensure it bonds well. This step might take a bit of practice, but you'll get the hang of it in no time. Repeat this process, working your way from the outer corner to the inner corner of your eyes. Don't rush, patience is key. Remember to apply the lashes one by one. This helps create a natural and voluminous look. If you're going for a more dramatic effect, you can layer a few extensions on top of each other. Just make sure not to overdo it. Too many layers can weigh down your natural lashes and cause damage. Once all the extensions are in place, use a lash comb to gently brush through them. This helps to separate any lashes that might have stuck together and gives a fuller appearance. Finally, give your lashes a gentle press with your fingers to make sure they're secure. And voila! You've got yourself a stunning set of eyelash extensions right at home. A few tips before I go. Avoid getting your lashes wet for the first 24 hours to let the adhesive fully set. And always be gentle when removing makeup around your eyes to keep your extensions looking fresh for longer. Use oil-free makeup removers and avoid rubbing your eyes. There you have it, beauties. Now you've got the know-how to apply eyelash extensions like a pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Stay fabulous. And don't forget to share your lash extension results with us in the comments below. We love seeing your beautiful transformations.